Good morning, children. Yesterday we have completed till internal organs of human body. These organs are there inside the human body which we can't see through our eyes. We have seen these organs only in pictures. Anywhere you might have seen in your book or in your course book, textbook or any other book you might have, or in any other picture anywhere you might have seen these organs. Children, inside our body, I told you there are different types of organs are present there. These organs are there to perform different types of function. This is the main thing which you should understand. What is function? Suppose you have studied in class 3 about sense organs. These are the organs which are there to perform the activity of sense. Whatever the things present outside the world, we just guess about them or we know about them through our sense organs. Like that, there are many different systems are there. These organs form a system. Now I am giving you the idea of system. System is nothing but different mechanisms or interconnecting network that work together to perform a specific function. Suppose we are just thinking about sense organs. Sense organs means what? All the organs that gives us idea of different things. But sense organ is not only working alone. There is brain. So these two organs, brain and sense organ, work together to have sense of different things. Like that, inside our body, different organs gathered together to form different types of system. And in this class we are going to discuss the digestive system.
You go through the book. Oh sorry, you don't have book now. So I would like to introduce system. In this presentation, I'm introducing system. Now you might confuse what is the meaning of system. System is nothing but it is a set of things working together as a part of a mechanism or an interconnecting network. Now I would like to give you an example of system. You can better understand system with the example of your school. Your school is like a system. How? Just think about it. Can you think? No? Okay. I am there to help you. In your school, there are different types of functioning body. If I ask you why you come to the school, you will tell to study. Okay, it is a yes. I can just agree with you that you come to the school to get education. So, who gives you education? Obviously, your teachers. Your different teachers come to your class in different for different subjects, and they teach you, they examine you, they give you tasks. So you can say that you come to the school to get education. But if you will think that except education, there are different types of function also, like collection of your data. Your school office collects fees, they give you admission number and other things also like your attendance, bus service, everything. So there are different bodies like driver uncle, like the people, those who are sitting in the office, the people, those who are cleaning your school. So there are different parts, different types of people are there which help this school to run in a specific or regular manner. So we can say that school is an example of a system.
So, today we will start with digestive system. Digestive system is there to digest the food what we eat. Have you ever thought about this system? No. Have you thought? Okay. So this is the system which help us to digest the food what we eat. Now what is the importance of digestion? Why the food has to be digested? The food is in the form of complex material that is not recognized by our body, that has to be digested first. So the definition of digestion is the breaking down of complex material into a simpler form. These complex materials are digested through this digestive system, and this system helps us to get complete nutrients after complete digestion of food. तो बच्चों, अगर ये सिस्टम हमारे शरीर के अंदर ना हो तो क्या होगा? हम जो फूड जिस पर्पस से खाते हैं उसकी कोई यूटिलिटी नहीं बचेगी. हमारे शरीर के अंदर फूड जब तक डाइजेस्ट नहीं होगा हम लोगों को खाने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. तो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम हमारे बॉडी के लिए एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण सिस्टम है. सो डाइजेस्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? खाने का पाचन. ये जो पाचन तुम समझ रहे हो ये है कि जो खाना हमने खाया उसको शरीर के में इस तरीके से चेंज हो जाना कि हमारे शरीर में उसका इस्तेमाल हो सके. तुमने पढ़ा है प्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट्स, विटामिन्स, ये क्या है? शरीर को कैसे इसके बारे में कैसे पता चलेगा? शरीर कैसे उन सारी चीज़ों को लेगा? तो शरीर के अंदर जब ये डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम खाने को पचा देता है तो हमारे बॉडी के जो अदर ऑर्गेन्स हैं जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स को पूरी बॉडी में पहुंचाने का काम करते हैं वो फूड से उन न्यूट्रिएंट्स को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं और फिर डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी में वो फूड को न्यूट्रिएंट्स को पहुंचा देते हैं ताकि हमारा ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट हो सके, हमारे हाथ भी बढ़ सके, हमारे पैर बढ़ सके, हमारी उंगलियां बढ़ सके, हमारा फेस बढ़, यानी कि हमारा एक कंप्लीट डेवलपमेंट, कंप्लीट ग्रोथ हो सके. So there is a definition of digestion that I have given you. The process of breaking of food from complex form to simpler form. It is important to change food into simpler form so as to its use inside our body. Now, as I told you, the system is a group of different organs. So there must be different organs present in our digestive system. That is known as part of digestive system. So first of the part of digestive system is our mouth, that you know which part of our body is known as mouth. Next is food pipe. Then food pipe is a tube-like structure. Then stomach. Stomach is, I will explain it later on. There are slides regarding these parts, but I am giving you a brief idea. Stomach is a muscular bag-like structure. आप हमेशा सुनते होंगे खाना खाते हैं तो पेट में जाता है. ये जो पेट आप सुनते हैं ये हमारा स्टमक है. स्टमक के बाद स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, then large intestine, then rectum and anus. It means that these are the basic 7 parts of our digestive system. और भी होते हैं जो आपके लेवल से थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, that we will learn in the next higher classes. But this time in your course we have to study about these 7 parts of the digestive system. So there is a diagram of your digestive system. If you would have book, you might see, okay? But if you don't have book, go through this diagram there is the complete system. Mouth is missing, but this is the complete digestive system. Esophagus, you are seeing here, that is food pipe. Stomach, pancreas, liver, large intestine, small intestine, appendix, rectum, and anus. Liver and pancreas, is a very little idea you have to get. Liver and pancreas is not much explained in your chapter, but these are also very much important for digestion of food, because these parts secrete some digestive juices to digest the food. The first part is mouth. The opening and cavity in the lower part of the human face. आप अपने फेस को याद करें और अपने माउथ को याद करें. आपके फेस के सबसे निचले हिस्से में क्या है? आपका मुंह है, जिसमें एक लिप्स होता है, जिसके थ्रू कि हम लोग खाना जिसके थ्रू कि खाना हम लोग अपने मुंह के अंदर लेते हैं. दैट इज माउथ. माउथ के फिर अलग अलग पार्ट होते हैं. जैसे मुंह में क्या क्या होता है आप लोगों को पता है. दांत है, जीभ है. आपने सैलिवरी ग्लैंड्स के बारे में नहीं सुना होगा. सैलिवरी ग्लैंड्स भी होते हैं. ओके, फॉर टुडे I think this is the second part I have given you for today. Till here only. The next we will discuss tomorrow. We will have some question answer session that we will do afterwards. Okay, so for today's this much enough. Tomorrow I will start with other parts of our digestive system. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.